Liver stress.
And that's the cobwebs.
And this is the cobwebs, yes. Yeah. You do have a bit of bacteria floating around here, the white dots. So I don't know whether you've been sick.
Yeah, it's quite coiny, isn't it?
Very. So it'll be very interesting to see what it does to your blood.
And the dehydration of these particles. Shadows.
Yeah.
So we're about to do a 20-minute sound bath for the live blood analysis. So relax, everybody, and so this is after the gong bath, 20-minute gong bath. I'm just taking another blood analysis of Amber's finger. Taking some blood. And putting it under the microscope.
Look at that.
Wow, that's a big difference. So can you just explain what's going on?
Yeah, well, the cells are all separated and they're really round. Virtually 100% of Amber's cells before were dehydrated. Now we can see one here, one here, one here. So that's a really big change.
So that's a significant percentage that's being affected.
Let's just go to the other level. And they're all separate.
So what does it indicate when the cells separate?
Less inflammation.
Yep.
Less acidity. So everyone's had a great result, showing massive to moderate improvements in their blood after 20 minutes gong. Staying in the gongs, obviously, is what we need to do.
Yes, definitely more gongs.